Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meg. I do fashion and lifestyle videos every single week, and today we are doing a wig review. I'm so excited. This is my second wig review and I feel like my channel is slowly becoming more and more hair care, so if you do like that, make sure you are subscribed. So today I've been sent a wig from a brand called Luvme hair. First off, the packaging is so cute. They sent a wig and then they sent some kind of extras as well, which I wasn't actually expecting. So the wig itself comes in this really nice cute little purple bag, which is great for storage, and then the extras came in this little white bag. So first we have this gorgeous kind of ruby red scrunchie. Then we have these really nice kind of eyelashes, bit big for me, but you know, I could rock them. And then again, not my style, but some big hoop earrings, which I should probably just try out. A kind of pop socket, I think that's what they're called for a phone. And then a set of nails that you can kind of design and stick on. So I thought that was a really nice touch. Oh, and a comb, sorry, I forgot about that. Probably my favorite thing that came because I feel like it's so practical. And then you just have the standard instructions and kind of what they offer as a brand. But let's get into the reason that you're all here, the wig, the moment. I got this wig, which is kind of based off a Kim K bob. So in terms of the specs of the wig, it is Swiss lace in medium brown, and the lace area is 2x6. The density is 200, so she's thick, and this one is 10 inches long. If I straighten my hair, it would basically look like this. It's just a little bit shorter than my natural hair would be. It just makes so much more sense to shove a wig on my head. No one would ever know. At least we were gonna see if this is a clockable wig or not. The colour of the wig is pretty much the same colour as my hair too, so that got me excited because this is a glueless wig, so I kind of thought I might be able to leave out some of my natural edges to blend it in more. So yeah, as you can see, the lace is only really at the front, so there's not much to cut off. And then you have your standard clips either side, and then also a clip at the bottom for the extra security, along with an elastic band, which again provides further security considering it is a glueless wig. If you guys are real ones and you watched my last wig video, you'll know that I had a bit of trouble braiding my hair. Yeah, it came out looking like this, which is not great, and I just thought it couldn't get any worse than that. So I started off with freshly washed hair, and then it took me about 40 minutes to an hour to braid my hair, and it didn't look too bad. It gave me the flatness that I needed for the wig to not look bulky and put that bald cap on. So I'm predominantly using a bald cap so that my parting doesn't have any weird brown tones from my hair, more so than anything else. So just popping the wig on now, and I feel like it's always a big reveal. But this is what she looked like without any styling, fresh on the head, and to be fair, not too bad. I could immediately notice that there were random stray hairs that were sticking up on the wig, which was unfortunate, and I wasn't sure if that was normal with wigs, but there was quite a lot of it. So I went out and tweezed those away because they were irritating me. And another thing that I noticed was the one side of the wig was sticking up more than the other side, and I think this is where a hot comb would come in, but unfortunately I haven't invested in one yet, but I think that would have fixed the problem pretty easily. The lace itself was a little bit dark, I would say, but only by like one shade, so I kind of worked with what I could, but I think in future I'd need to get a slightly lighter lace. So I just secured it using the clips and the elastic band. I still think it was quite a big wig on my head. I don't know if I've got a small head, but I feel like I wouldn't be able to go head banging in this, so I'd potentially need to alter the actual other strap within the wig. So I went in and cut off the lace, which didn't take long because there's barely any lace on it, which I do like. I feel like there's less stress about getting the edges of the sides right. And then I used a little bit of gel to try and make it a little bit more seamless, but yeah, you can still see the lace because it is too dark for me, but only a little bit. And then I went in and straightened my hair, which, oh my gosh, this made a massive difference. I have to say this hair takes heat very, very well, but it also made the sticky up hairs quite obvious, so I had to go back and cut some more. And it made the length difference a lot more obvious, but these are quite rectifiable things, so I'm not going to be too mad at it. But yeah, the way that it took heat was amazing. It completely transformed the wig and just gave that curve and bounce. Next I went in with some foam just to flatten down the top section, but like I say, I do think a hot comb would even up that uneven side that's sticking up. And then I went in with some little, quite minimal baby hairs, which were actually my own hair. A lot of them are trapped underneath, hence not being able to do bigger ones, but I feel like it was quite nice having a natural look and just frame my face a little bit more. It also helped take away from the lace being too dark. I have to say, this hair overall, it's so knotless. Like, it's the most knotless hair I've ever had. I don't know if it's because it's short, I don't know if it's due to the density, but it is very good quality hair. It flows, it moves like natural hair. I really recommend it if you are after a bob. Obviously there's a few things that I would change in terms of making the length even, getting rid of the flyaways and hot ironing the top, but I think apart from that there's not really much else I'd change about it. I feel amazing in it and I know that I'm definitely going to be able to wear it out with confidence. So yeah guys, if you do like the look of this unit and feel you could see it on yourself or want to check out what else Luvme hair have to offer, as always I've hooked you guys up with a discount code to save you some shmoney. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed it and I'll catch you in the next one.